Hello, my name is Kev from dataSights, and in this video we're going to look at editing your own data in your data lake. So sorry, I should have started probably with this picture. So what we're talking about here is not your data coming in from your systems. However, any data that is things that still need to be included in your reports, that needs to be mixed with your operational data, your system data, then combined into views, then pulled into reports. So a lot of people put in their user data, business data over here, but what that does is it makes reporting more complex and more onerous on the report developer. For example, then when you want to update budgets or forecasts or targets, you've got to email that report person and say, please can you update in the report. Whereas with this approach, by adding that data directly into your data lake, you've got one source of truth, and from there all of your reports can get that data instantly. So with that little bit of background behind us, in here you'll see the user data editor. If you've got any sort of manual tables there, so if we just go and create a new one, for example, we can call it the zero account mapping table, and we can go and add a column, and we can call this account name, and we can say it's length 500 characters, should be plenty. And then we can say, reporting category. Anyone who does this sort of reporting will know that your chart of accounts, you want to group them, so it's just easier to read when you've got lots and lots and lots of accounts. Call it a hierarchy or something. But again, this could be any sort of data that fits a sort of table. So from there we can create, we can go and add a new record, we can say our sales, we want to go call that revenue. And we could say our other income, we also want to call that revenue. And then we hit just save changes, and that's it. That's the table created. Now, if you want to delete data, you can do it here. If you want to edit data, you can do it here. The final bit, which you can also do, you don't have to create the table from scratch, is that you can upload a CSV. So if we go and, for example, export this to CSV, let me just go and find that now and open with Excel. Just give me a secondo. Right, so in here we've got this now. Now say we made a mistake and we just want to get rid of everything. We want to say, actually, this is, I'm just going to make up some nonsense now, but direct costs we want to call COGS, and expenses we want to call expense. Who knows? Okay, now if we save that, and this again, you can go and create something from new by doing this first, because often this will be more likely the case. You'll have your stuff in an Excel and you just want to go and centralize that. So what you can do is then come in here and you can say upload CSV. In this case, we're uploading to the zero account mapping table, or you can click create new table. And here we can choose, do we want to append the data to the end, or do we want to overwrite the data? So let's say we want to overwrite the data. Let's open that. Let's upload. And now you can see this has been replaced. So we've completely replaced the data there, or we can append it. I hope it makes sense. There's quite a lot of functionality in a small amount of space. And as always, any questions, anytime, just let me know. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.